Panguva ine zvonzi this is a warning to President Emerson Mnangagwa nokuda kwekuti zviri kuitika zvitiko the ruling party ZANU-PF kuchionekwa kunzi especially kuMashonaland West panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi kune chaos iri kuitika muthis province. Kuri kuonekwa kunzi kwakuitika masplits. Some of the people they are not showing up for my meetings, even kuliwa for a rally. Top leadership haichaendi noda kwekwezi yakonzereswa the ruling party ZANU-PF. Sana pina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino kuonekwa aiwa the leaders at the ruling party ZANU-PF they must see these signals. Noti ndo vachakonzeresa kuti aiwa vakudona pasi ndoti wasubscribe or like on the bell kuti mtapsimu aimobuda nyongwa mchinzi. A letter from provincial chairperson Mary Moliswa Chikoka lamented low attendance, poor planning and unresolved issues with MPs as obstacles to the process. A thinly veiled acknowledgement of waning confidence in the party. More striking, however, is the frustration with the party leaders themselves. In Chabutu, she accused local officials of stoking disunity and sabotaging the process. It goes, let this be a clear warning. This behavior is unacceptable and will not be tolerated at all, she warned, revealing the level of infighting and rebellion festering within the party's ranks. As ZANU-PF stumbles through internal restructuring, the low engagement signals more than just logistical hiccups. It points to a political tide slowly turning into a province where loyalty once came without question. For the opposition and civil society, the message from Mashonaland West is encouraging. The political monopoly that is long stifled change is beginning to erode from within. These are just warning arupiwa my leaders ZANU-PF Iowa. Kativaine unity. Noda kuti panguva ide kuti kunokwanza zvigananda zviri kusplita bato nese zviri kuitika nevanhu vari kuri corrupt zvakonzeresa kuti bato richiondomuka. Now vanhu vanongoita as if vanonga vachikosapota ZANU-PF but deep inside their hearts vanhu vaneta nemafights nemafactions kukurwisana kuriitika mubato iri. Pindai comment section medu mudzi mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.